That faint whistling sound when your little one breathes, isn't it unsettling? It is a sound that can instantly trigger concern in any parent. Understanding why your baby might be wheezing is the first step toward finding peace of mind and the right help. Yes, your baby's wheezing can indeed be caused by allergies, but it is important to know that allergies are just one of several possible reasons for this particular sound. Wheezing signals that air is struggling to move freely through your baby's small airways, and identifying the exact cause is key to knowing how to best support your child's breathing. Wheezing occurs when there is a narrowing or obstruction in the small air passages of the lungs. For allergies, this happens because the immune system overreacts to a harmless substance, like pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or even certain foods. This allergic reaction causes inflammation and swelling in the airways, tightening the muscles around them and increasing mucus production. These combined effects shrink the space available for air to pass through, creating that characteristic high-pitched whistling sound. Other common culprits for wheezing include viral infections like bronchiolitis or the common cold, asthma, or sometimes even a foreign object in the airway. To help determine if allergies are a factor, start by observing patterns. Does the wheezing occur after exposure to specific things, like a pet, certain foods, or seasonal changes? Keep a simple log of when the wheezing happens, what your baby was doing beforehand, and any other symptoms present, such as a runny nose, sneezing, skin rash, or unusual fussiness. This detailed information will be incredibly valuable for your pediatrician. It is also helpful to understand the concept of atopy, which is a genetic tendency to develop allergic diseases. If you or your partner have allergies, asthma, or eczema, your baby has a higher likelihood of developing them too. This family history does not confirm an allergy as the cause of wheezing, but it certainly puts it higher on the list of possibilities for your doctor to consider. Another important term is an allergen, which is simply any substance that triggers an allergic reaction. Ultimately, recognizing potential triggers and understanding your family history empowers you to have a more informed conversation with your pediatrician. This partnership ensures that you can collectively pinpoint the reason for your baby's wheezing, whether it is an allergy or something else, and find the most effective strategies to keep your little one breathing comfortably and happily.